सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एमडी लर्निंग्स। सो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एच लुकअप एंड वी लुकअप। एज आपने थंबनेल देखा होगा, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एच लुकअप एंड वी लुकअप। सो वी लुकअप हम तब यूज करते हैं जब व्हेन आई वांट टू सर्च द डेटा इन द टेबल विच इज सेट vertically. That's why its name is VLOOKUP. And HLOOKUP कब यूज करते हैं जब we want to search the data which for which the table is set horizontally. Means जो हमें डेटा सर्च करना है, okay, वो we are in the row index number we are going to take the row number. So that is called HLOOKUP. Okay, so मैं आपको as an example I will show you how to use it. So here you can see this some data is there. Okay, in this I have product code and the warehouse numbers, and product code you can see it is in the rows. Okay, और VLOOKUP में क्या होता था, VLOOKUP में like this, if you will see this data VLOOKUP में हम ये cell number D4 we are going, if you are going to search, if I want the data for cell number D4, so for this data we are going to use VLOOKUP, and for the data like this we are going to use HLOOKUP. So मुझे lookup क्या करना है, XP200 or XP100, it is present in the row, so for that I will use HLOOKUP. So you can see this example. Okay, यहाँ पे product code है XP200 and मुझे चाहिए what is the quantity of this product in this warehouse number 2, and this data is present in this master inventory list. So I will show you how to use it. Just type HLOOKUP first, and if you will see here function, insert function option is there, so just click it. Okay, so यहाँ पे we have 4 arguments. First one is the lookup value. So what you are going to look up, so I want to look up this product code and in which table array. Second one is what is the table array. So I have the table, this is my table which I'm going to use, and this is my second argument. My third argument is row index number. Okay, now third argument is row index number. So row index number, what is the row index number in this? So if you will see, this is the row index number. So first, second, third. So I want this row index column number, so I will just put this in this master inventory file. I need this one. Okay, you can give the number, means I want to give it 3. This number is 1, 2 and 3. This is the third row index number. And range lookup. Range lookup means you want approximate match or exact match. If you want approximate match, you can type it true, and if you want this exact match, you can type false. So for false we are writing the 0 value also. Okay, if I want exact match, I will write it, I will give the number 0 in range lookup. You can see it is equal to false, so just press is equal to and you will get the desired data. So यहाँ पे हमने difference, what is the difference, क्या हम what is the difference between this, like VLOOKUP में भी we are getting the same data and HLOOKUP also we are getting the same data, but the difference is the data which we are doing lookup, we are going for the lookup, it is present in the row, and for VLOOKUP it was present in the column. So see, for this what we were taking, यहाँ पे हम क्या लेते थे, row number, it is all the data present in the row, and in this it is present in the column, like employee ID, first name, last name, department and pay rate. These are present in the particular column. So we are in that we are selecting particular column number. हम यहाँ पे काउंट जब करते थे इन द VLOOKUP, so we are counting the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the starting, and यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, रो काउंट कर रहे हैं. We are selecting the row in number. So this was how we are using HLOOKUP. और अगर आपको अभी भी डिफरेंस नहीं पता चला है, so you can go to my channel and you can see the VLOOKUP video, and after that you can see HLOOKUP and you will get to know the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So friends, I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा what is the difference between both of the
functions. HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup and VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. So just try some, okay, just try it and you will get to know exact after the practice what is the exact difference. And please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for any further updates. See you soon in my next video. For the timing, bye bye.